Hello beautiful people and welcome back to my channel. How you guys doing? Have you guys been? I hope you guys are doing well because I'm doing well, thank God, and I hope you guys are doing well too. Okay, if you're new to my channel, my name is Chika. My name is Chika. I'm a makeup artist, a pharmacist, a content creator. I make beautiful videos for you guys to watch and enjoy. Okay, I'm a mother of one. I'm married as well. So if you're new to my channel, please do not leave without subscribing. And if you're already subscribed, thank you so much to my regular subscribers. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you. Anyways, from the title, you guys know what the video is about. Okay, you know I'm the queen of improvising. Improvising is what they call me. Like, excuse you. Anyways, yeah, so this video I'm going to be showing you guys how I turned the chain of my bag, of my handbag, into an accessory. Okay, so if you want to see how I do that, then keep on watching. Anyway, so you guys have seen pictures, but in case you've not seen them, I just will drop pictures as I go. So let me just give you a backstory of what happened and how this came to life. Okay, basically I've had this bag, this Aldo bag, really nice bag that I got that bag in 2016. Yeah, I got it in Canada when me, my sister, and my parents went to Canada. Went for my brother's graduation actually. So that was where I picked up this gorgeousness from. I'm just gonna show you guys, so just chill. I just want to give you a backstory. So yeah, that's where I picked it up from. Really nice, really attractive. I think I got the white. My sister got the black or something like that. I can't even remember. But me and white were always like, so that was why I picked one, and it was really nice. I rocked it. To be honest, I'm not sure I really rocked this bag like that. Like, I'm not sure I really, because I was very careful with it, because you know it's white. I'm not sure I really rocked it like that, but I don't know if it's the fact that I was even trying to be too careful that I forgot the bag at some point. So when I was decluttering my wardrobe, I noticed that the bag had started peeling. Excuse me. I noticed the bag was peeling, but it was still manageable. I could still carry it. Okay, but at some point it became really bad. I couldn't carry it anywhere because I didn't want the bag to embarrass me. Like, when you take it even leaves like the whatever on my body, so I couldn't carry it anymore. So it was just sitting there doing nothing for me. So one day I was just decluttering my wardrobe, I mean my closet, I mean my cupboard, I don't even know what to call it, and then I saw the bag. I was like, oh, that's true, this bag. I didn't just want to let go of it because I still liked the bag. The bag is still in good, let me even show you guys. The bag is still in good condition. Like, looking at it from here, you won't even know that there's anything wrong with the bag. You wouldn't know. Let me reduce my light a bit. I think it's reduce the light a bit so you guys could see. So this is what the bag be looking like. You can see it's still in very good condition. Although it's a bit dirty, but if I wash it, it will still look nice. So this is what it looks like. It's looking really flat now because, you know, I just kept it somewhere. So this is what it looks like, and the chain goes here. You just carry it and you're good to go. So looking at it from here, you won't even know that there's anything wrong with the bag. It's now when you come this way. So anyway, like I was saying, so I just brought out the bag. I still didn't want to let go of it, but I had no choice because there's nothing I'm going to be doing with it. So I decided to keep it in the bag where I've been keeping things that I'm no longer wearing, things I don't want to use anymore. I have a lot of shoes and stuff there, so I just kept them there. And then my husband saw me keeping it. I was like, ah, babe, do you know you can still use this chain of the chain of the bag is still in very good condition. It didn't wash at all. It's in very, very good condition. You can turn it into an accessory like a chain or even bracelet or something. I was like, yeah, that's true, but it looked really big and chunky. I was like, ah, where am I going to wear this to? Won't it be too you know, all over the place? And it was like, just bring it out first and we'll figure it out. I was like, okay, fine. To bring it out was now a struggle. I was like, how are we going to bring it out? So at the end of the day, I had to use a plier to open up the chain. Let me show you guys the chain. So this is the chain. This is what the chain be looking like. I'm the one who put it here with a pin. So when you remove it, it's just a long, let me remove it. So this is what it looks like. It's just a straight this thing. So what he did was open up this. I don't know if you guys can see. Open this up with the plier so that it could come out. So that's how we were able to bring it out. And I just started playing with it like, oh, so this This was how I wore it at first, like this. I just did it like this, did it like this. I was like, okay, what can I do with this? I was like, well, something can happen. Something can. Okay, yeah, this is what I did. Don't mind this small one here. And then I used the pin to hold it this way. So I mean, you have an accessory, you can still extend it if you want. You know, you have an accessory. That's what I did. So you can either do that, or you can wear it this way. I mean, there's so many ways you can even wear this, to be honest. There's so many ways you can wear this. You can do this if you're wearing like an open, you know, kind of stuff. Your dress opens up. This one opens, but the one that closes, because I don't like to show boobs. So if you have a dress that has a deep V neckline or something like that, you could just do this, twist it. Let me show you guys. So at this, you can hold it here with a pin and equally hold it here. So it just gives you that, you know what I'm talking about. So yeah, and then not just as a necklace, you can use it as a bracelet. But as a bracelet, you have to shorten it. So you can just go like this. And if you like too much drama, you can overroll it. But if you don't, I think this is fine. So you can just hold it here with a pin, and then hold it here with a pin. That's why, and hold it here. So you just hold them with a pin. That's why I said you might need to shorten it if you want to turn into a bracelet, or yeah. So you need to shorten it, but I don't want to shorten it. That's why it's still like this. And you can use it as a waist belt. I'm just going to show you guys quickly. As a waist belt. So you can put it in your belt hole. Yeah. You can put it in your belt hole. And turn it to hold it at this point. And then it becomes, and there are a lot of things you can do. It becomes a waist belt. So you can wear this with jeans or shorts or trousers or anything, and you can equally wear this with a dress. If you're wearing like a skater dress or a dress that needs a waist belt, this can act like this. Okay, and then it just takes your dressing to a whole new level. Like, excuse you, what are they saying? So if you have any bag right now in your wardrobe that's just sitting there and you don't know what to use it for again, and like maybe you're tired of it, you don't even just want it again, or it's peeling like mine did, and you still like the chain and stuff like that, so this is what you can do with it. Okay, there are just so many things. Most times you just throw away things and we're like, I don't want to use it again, I'm done, and this and that. If possible, I will remove this thing. I'll remove this because I can't even dash this to anybody. It's peeling. Like, look at how bad. I don't know if you guys can see, but see how bad. And as you're doing it, it's falling off. It's even inside. Let me open the inside. Can you see? So this is not me condemning Aldo. I rocked this bag, okay, and the quality is good. You can see that the chain is still very gold. It's gold. It's still very gold, and I carried this thing like crazy. But the gold is still there. It didn't wash at all. So this is not me condemning Aldo. Aldo sells good bags. I have other bags here from Aldo, and they are still in very good condition. But I don't know what happened to this particular one. But I mean, since 2016, it don't dry. So yeah, I'll even soon remove this thing and use it as brooch. You guys know me, I can improvise. When it comes to things, I improvise a lot. I'll also remove it and use it as brooch. So yeah, so if you have any bags sitting down there not doing anything, but it has a chain, the chain is still good, okay, you can use it as accessories. You can even turn it into an earring. You need to cut it short or make it shorter, and you can turn it into an earring. So yeah, you guys, that's how I converted my Aldo hand chain bag into an accessory, into a bracelet, into a necklace, and into a waist belt. Excuse you, DIY, do it by yourself, okay? So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you want to see more videos like this, videos to help you look good on a bougie, on a budget, not to waste things, not to be wasteful, then let me know. If you enjoyed the video, let me know. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, like, share, like this video, share, okay? And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.